Hello, hello, and hello. Hello, everyone. How have you been? I hope that you are not bad, as well as I'm passing very good time with my family members. Today in this video, I would like to share with you several matter. That's why this video will be helpful for our English learners. You know that I'm passionate English learner. For that, every day I try to speak in English any circumstance. Every day I try to practice my English like this way. Side by side I will explain. When I was beginner, that time I couldn't make English video in front of my camera. I couldn't describe anything in English. I couldn't make sentences like this way. That time I was crazy to learn English. For that I started my English journey. When I was beginner, that time many people they criticized me. For that time I was practicing my English in front of my camera. For that, at present I'm being able to improve my speaking skills. I'm being able to describe anything in English. If you want to learn English, you have to more practice every single day. Side by side, at present I can describe anything. At present I can make English video without any hesitation. When I started my English journey, that time I had no English teacher who could help me. I had no English partner who could speak with me. That's why I practiced my English in front of my camera. After recording my English video, I try to correct those mistakes where I was making mistakes. At present, like this way, I practice English every single day. Side by side, I have decided I will practice English every single day. At the same time, what I'm doing at present, what I'm seeing around me, I try to describe all things in English, and I will describe all things in front of my camera. If you are eager to speak in English, I will suggest you can practice English every single day in front of your camera or in front of your mirror. Then you can become good speaker very easily. At present I feel so good. Why am I feeling so good? Because at present I can speak in English effortlessly. I can make English video any circumstance. Side by side, many English learner they are inspiring from my video. They are thinking I can speak in English properly. Side by side, many English learners they always give me good suggestion to continue my English journey. Many English learners they are seeing my English speaking video every single day. They are watching my English video every day, and